Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about black soap, and I will be explaining to you why black soap may not be like the best option for you to use for your hair. I'll also be explaining to you how you can use black soap, and we're going to be understanding the importance of pH and all of that. And we're going to be doing a little bit of science, and it's going to be very informative and enlightening. So I hope you're ready, because I am already. So yeah. So I actually used to use black soap on my hair before I actually noticed this, like what it did to my hair. So in this video you might have noticed that I mentioned that I liked black soap, and that was what I was going to be using, and you're going to be seeing it more in my videos. However, I haven't done any wash day video, so I haven't like shown if I'm still using black soap or not, but I don't use black soap anymore because it actually did affect my hair, which I'll be sharing why. We will be doing a little bit of science here, but I'm going to try my best to like explain this like the easiest way I can, so you can understand better what this whole black soap stuff is all about. So yeah, so let's start with this. So there's something called a pH. Almost everything, like our hair products, our skin products, our even water actually has a pH, and it actually like plays a significant role on our hair and our hair's product. The pH scale is usually between 0 to 14. 0 is the lowest and 14 is the highest. It's a scale, it's a spectrum. The lower the pH is, the more acidic your hair product is, and the higher the pH of your hair product or your skin product or anything is, the more alkaline it is. So now our hair actually has a pH level, our hair itself, and that's like what your hair wants. So when applying products, you shouldn't like use a different pH. So our hair's pH is actually between 4.5 to 5.5. That'll be like between 4 to 6. And I'm saying that because when you're like using a pH strip to like test your hair product to find the pH level of your hair products, it's not going to show you like it's something 0.5, it's 0.5, it's 0.3. It's going to like just give you one exact number. So yeah, let's just take it as our hair's pH is between 4 to 6, and that means when you're using products, you shouldn't be using products that have any higher pH than that or lower pH than that. So for every movement on the spectrum, like if you're moving from pH 4 to pH 5, it's not just like moving from pH 4 to pH 5, it's like moving from pH 40 to pH 50, like it's a times 10 movement on the spectrum. So when you move just one way, or when you make just one movement, it's like making a significant difference. So yes, the pH of your product really does matter. Okay, so now we understand pH. What does it actually do to our hair? So now let's go to like our hair structure. Now our hair structure has something called cuticles, which are the protective layers of our hair, or the outermost layer of our hair, like the outermost layer of our hair, so of each individual hair strand. So now the product we use actually affects our hair. The more alkaline the product is, it opens up the hair cuticles. The more acidic the product is, it closes up the hair cuticles. Like this is your hair strand. Let me explain it this way, please. Like this is your hair strand, and your hair strand have cuticles. Like my hands are the cuticles, like I have cuticles on it. So your cuticles can be closed like this, like it's protecting your hair strand, the inner part of your hair strand, or it could be open like this. Yeah, so if you're using alkaline products or products that are high in pH, they're going to open up your hair cuticles, like opens up. And the more alkaline it is, or the higher the pH is, it's going to open it more, open it more, open it more. And if it's really high, it's actually going to damage your hair cuticles, like break up your hair cuticles and damage it. You get. So when you use acidic products, it's like closes up your hair cuticles, closes. That's why our hair has a pH of 4 to 5 to 5 to 5, which we should maintain. So you shouldn't go off the pH scale. You shouldn't use like product of 7, 8, 9, 10 pH or product of 3 to 1 pH. So yeah, that's exactly what it does to you guys. So now let's talk about what how black soap is connected to all of this, because I've been talking a lot here, I know. So yeah, black soap actually has a pH of around 9, and that is like very, very, very high. As I said, whatever product you're using on your hair shouldn't go beyond 6. But then this does not just go beyond 6, it goes 7, 8, 9, like it goes way beyond 6. And like that is too high for your hair. And I don't know if you can tell, but when I use black soap, I noticed my hair porosity changed, and I was like, what was going on? At first I thought it was the product I used, because I decided to try a new deep conditioner then, and then when I applied the deep conditioner, like my hair just sucked it up, like it just entered my hair. And I was surprised because my hair is low in porosity, which means product don't really enter my hair easily. Like when I apply the product, I'm going to see the product sitting on my hair and it's just going to be there. But this time around I applied the product and like it just entered my hair, and I was wondering what happened. At first I did blame it on the hair product I used, the deep conditioner I used, but then I realized that it was actually because I used black soap to wash my hair that time. I also noticed this my sister's hair, my niece's hair, because they also use black soap to wash their hair. I noticed their hair porosity change. Now when you use black soap, it opens up your hair cuticles more than it should be opened, and it changes your hair porosity, which in turn means it changes your hair structure, which shouldn't be it. Which shouldn't be it. So then you're going to notice your hair will start drying out faster, your hair start absorbing moisture faster, and you're like, this is not my hair. Yes. So yeah, so that doesn't mean you shouldn't use black soap, because we all know black soap has so many benefits to the hair. So yeah, you can still use black soap, but you have to like balance the pH. You have to bring it back from that pH 9 to pH 6, or between 5 to 6. That is like okay for your hair. So since black soap is like high in pH, like it's alkaline, you need to find something that is acidic to like bring it back to the middle. You get? Hopefully you do. So that's why if you see YouTube videos of people showing you how to make black soap, they usually add apple cider vinegar. Now apple cider vinegar is an acidic substance, so I would recommend that if you're going to use black soap, make sure you like melt it so you can mix it with apple cider vinegar before you use it. And if possible, if you can get a pH strip, if you decide to do DIY, you can get a pH strip and just use it to check out the pH of your hair products. There are also some black soap shampoos, some black soaps that are already made as shampoos. You can also get that instead to avoid all the stress and all of that. They would already be in a safer pH for your hair. You can do that, whatever. But yeah, do not just use pure black soap. It's going to affect your hair. It's going to increase your hair porosity and move your hair from the natural structure it has. I guess that's all I have to say. Hope this video was informative as usual. Also drop a comment about what you think about this topic. Yeah, I need to hear your thoughts. And yeah, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and follow me on my social media handles here. The link is in the description, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.